ونصلي على رسوله الكريم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to Quran made easy, ayah by ayah, word by word, lesson number 11. We're on the Surah Baqarah, ayah number 4. والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك, and who believe in what has been revealed to you and what has revealed before you. وَالَّذِينَ and who, وَالَّذِينَ and who, wow and الَّذِينَ who. الَّذِينَ can be those who and those who. وَالَّذِينَ and who يُؤْمِنُونَ believe. يُؤْمِنُونَ believe. We have studied this verb in the previous videos. يُؤْمِنُونَ is a plural صيغة. يُؤْمِنُونَ meaning believe. Bima in what? Bima in what? Unzila has been revealed. Unzila has been revealed. Ilayka to you. Ilayka to you. Wama and what? Wama and what? Unzila was revealed or has been revealed. Unzila was revealed min qablik before you. Min qablik before you. This is the new verb unzila. Unzila has been revealed. Unzila has been revealed. This is a majhul sigha, a majhul verb. Majhul means the doer is unknown. The doer is unknown. I think we have not covered this in the YouTube videos. If you take the full course, you will understand what is majhul and all its sighas. So for example, unzila has been revealed. We don't know who has revealed it. Of course, we know it's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has revealed. So here, the word does not show unzila has been revealed. It does not show who revealed it. So it's majhul, it's unknown, it's hidden. The fa'il is hidden. Unzila, the past tense is anzala. Anzala meaning he revealed. Anzala, he revealed. The present and future tense is yunzilu. Yunzilu. He reveals or he will reveal. He reveals or he will reveal. Anzala yunzilu. Make sure you memorize this. Anzala yunzilu. Say it 20 times, 30 times, or 50 times, or 100 times. Anzala yunzilu. This has come from nazala. Nazala. Nazala, to come down or to reveal. Nazala. So whenever you see nazala, anzala, yunzilu, all these are relating something coming down or revealing. So whenever you see in the Quran, it means coming down or something revealed. Anzala yunzilu. Anzala yunzilu came from nazala. Nazala. Ilayk, we have studied ilayk. Ilayk is made from two words, ilaka. Ila and ka. Ila, if you have not watched the easy Arabic videos, please, it's lesson number 11.1. Please watch that video. And ka is lesson number 2. So please watch both of them. Ilayka made from two words, ila and ka. Ila and ka. And also qablika made from two words, qabl and ka. Qabl meaning before, ka meaning you or yours. Qabl before, ka meaning you or yours. Qablika before you. Qablika before you. And men, we have studied is a preposition. It's called from huruf jar, lesson number. Watch lesson number 11.1. Inshallah ta'ala, you will learn more about it. Min is from huruf jar. I give kasra or zair to the following word. It is min qablika. It's not min qablaka or min qabluka. It is min qablika. Whenever the min comes, huruf jar comes, the following word will have kasra. Inshallah. Min qablika. Min qablika. وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْمِنُونَ بِمَا أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ وَمَا أُنزِلَ مِنْ قَبْلِكَ, and who believe in what has been revealed to you and what was revealed before you. So this is talking about the mu'mineen, that the mu'mineen believes what has been revealed before you. You is the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, all the previous books. I mean, the mu'mineen believe in the Quran and what has been revealed before you. So this is it for this video. Please watch this video a few times. Make sure you learn each word, memorize each word. It is your time to study now. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to study. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept this from us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and ring the bell for the upcoming videos. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.